to the market. I'm buying both food stuff, like something I'm gonna need for a shoot for my makeup business. Do you dress homeless when you go to the market? I'm trying to look as homeless as possible or just very basics. I don't know if it still works, but like if you're looking to put together, then when they give you price for something, it's always like really high, right? But if you dress homeless, they'll be like you don't have money, right? So they're not going to so they're not going to give you high price to pay for things, right? So yeah, I'm hoping this looks homeless enough. Let's go. You get So I'm back home now from the market, and I just want to quickly show you guys some of the things I bought. I actually went to buy things to cook and also something
Banana.
Okay, yes, we got banana. I got onions, I got afang, water leaf.
Mama.
Yes, you think?
Mama, take banana.
Basically soup things, periwinkle. What's afang without, right? Bonga fish, or is it dried catfish? So I got this steaming cap because I want to start being more intentional about my hair, like trying to grow my hair. So when I'm doing my hair treatment at home, I'm going to be using this for that. That's why I got it. I got coconut oil for hair, shower cap for my hair.
Mama.
Yes, sir. You are the owner of this Nana. Okay? There you go.
I also got this.
Last time I bought this, it was like around 15,600, and that was like last year in October. I was surprised when they said it was 12k. I rushed it. So yeah, for my hair growth, this, then I got some herbs. I bought, okay, yeah, this is for like content shoot. I just got some like accessories for content. This is really pretty. And yeah. Fake pearls, I know, but like you get the idea. It's good for content creation. Yeah, so these are the herbs I bought. I never knew that fenugreek was like that expensive. I imagine my surprise when they told me that this small thing like this is 1,000 naira. But this, what else did I buy? I think that's all. Yeah, so that's all for the little market haul today. I just finished putting my son to bed and it is, can you see that? It is 10:22. This is like the earliest time he has gone to bed this week or since this holidays. He's always going to bed at 1, 2. I guess because school is about to start, we need to start getting into this sleep early bedtime thing. I know I look scruffy. I'm going to fix that this week. Maybe tomorrow if I'm tasked. I might do that tomorrow. But yeah, on the agenda for tonight, now that baby boy is asleep, going to read my Bible for a bit and then try and edit while watching movies with hubby. Then once I'm tired, I'll just go to bed because I need to sleep early. I'm so happy that my son slept early so that I can get like an early bedtime because I have work tomorrow. I have a makeup appointment tomorrow morning. So after my appointment, I'll try and see if I can get like, fix something because I don't like the way I'm looking.